Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of your headphones sounding, well, just okay? What if I told you that you can make them sound amazing without breaking the bank? Today, I'll show you how to upgrade your headphones with some simple DIY tricks to get better sound, comfort, and durability. Let's dive right in. Let's face it, most headphones are decent out of the box, but they often lack that premium feel or sound. Upgrading them can take your listening experience to a whole new level. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. First up, ear pads. Over time, the stock pads wear out, making your headphones uncomfortable and reducing noise isolation. Swapping them out for memory foam or leather pads can improve both comfort and sound. And trust me, it's super easy to do. Look at that. Your headphones are now more comfortable and sound better by sealing out external noise. Next, let's talk cables. Did you know upgrading to a high-quality cable can reduce interference and improve sound clarity? Go for braided or silver-plated cables. They're durable and enhance the audio signal. Boom! Better sound and no more tangling issues. Ever heard of a DAC or AMP? These nifty devices enhance the sound clarity and power of your headphones. Plug them into your phone or computer, and you'll hear details you've never noticed before. Wow, it's like I'm in the recording studio with the artist. Another quick upgrade? Customize your sound using an EQ app like Wavelet or Boom 3D. You can boost bass, enhance vocals, or create your perfect sound profile, all with a few taps. See? Small tweaks, big difference. For the adventurous DIYers, you can mod your headphones. Add acoustic filters or damping materials to tweak the sound profile. It's like giving your headphones a personality upgrade. Just be careful with permanent mods. Test before committing. Before you start, make sure your upgrades are compatible with your headphones. And remember, some mods might void warranties, so proceed with caution. There you have it. These DIY upgrades can transform your headphones into a whole new beast. Which upgrade are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy listening.